Living by your grace. Kind of the video has been deleted. Yes, it has been deleted. But we have footage. We have footage. We'll go talk. We'll talk. We'll analyze and more listen to one first. Listen to Abba brother.
Because they had a show up. This is also my second job with this man. Let's see how they work. I get 2 jobs. What's in this one so? Abba, what's in this one so?
Abba must show us where you work. Abba, you must show us where you work. You said they will try to know the work. You said CEO. Abba, the way CEO is here, see your side, you go to America. Why must we?
Abba, you must work in UK because you have constantly told Edo people that Osagie is not working. But you forgot that I am a CEO with so many employers. You forgot that I run the biggest non-profit organization, not just in Edo State, but in Nigeria. If that is not work, what is work? Then now, you don't go UK for the past 1 year. The only thing what you they do online, give me stars, give me stars. See how the way your brother fool you. See the way your brother fool you. You say your mama, your mother-in-law don't give you juju shop. They're more tired or too tired. Now your brother talk and say your wife mama don't give you juju shop. Muja ni mo speaker mi ade dia nu wa make na won say in the mobile speaker. Big boy. I mean, congratulations. Congratulations.
If I flash my daughter, it will solve.
Congratulations.
I have the family.
No fear.
Social media, when we say, there are many who,
Well,
but they don't do video one day.
yes.
How about you when they insult your papa?
Are you serious?
What make me and you know the two agree? You fit tell people the reason.
Wow.
Only you hear they call everybody illiterate on a Maya school, But when they were young, who will come and not manage their primary school?
Matter, no?
That's the obvious fact.
Muja. Matter or time, man. We not 20 years. We not 20 years. See, but what thing? I better not look this thing though. See all this beer where they did their side. This one. All this beer where they did their side. Imagine they money tin ladian, but the master got on tin. But I don't say Imagine got tin, but I don't say na strong man. Imagine a smart thing, but a smart time on Facebook. You hear it? Facebook on that time way a strong man here. A strong man way without him now. Right here, I tell you. Whether na a back, say people they fly. But you can't tell me, a smart time on Facebook now. Where they do an election. You have more baseki yo, wabe mion. Then about to know down. All the lodge of Facebook. All the other way stop cultism in those states. Stop cultism in those states. About to know down. All the other way area man scam on now. You scammed your own brother. Your brother buy land for your hand. The guy come from abroad. You don't see land. Your own blood brother. You have to get him.
Even if they waste time on Facebook, when we are my school, but is it Satan who starts with the money in school?
Exactly.
It's not all about read and write.
Yes.
You person that read and write, you go level. With my school,
No IQ.
I'm not to go school. Make us see your result. As my brother, show me make us see.
Jesus. So,
Show me make us see. I tell you the house. Like men, ogu, buy.
You don't buy him. Muja, more you ba. Muja.
Don't.
Me ogun pa yan mabi. Ogun lo wa na. Ki agwa logun. Ogun wo yi. Ya agwa logun. Ogun. Wa di ade ogun re o. Ogun mo so gbe me ni. Oti o te bo ni. Ogun, Wagbabat, Ogun, Ohomila, Isango, Mami Water, Wakwamaya Batu, Eko. When aware, ye give yedo, if yedo pure, when aware, ye kwen yedo man, when aware, kwen no tion, Bright Obazee, no we see of O, Vedo, a winema, Mami Water, Olokun, Isango, Ohomila, Wakwamaya. In Jesus' name I pray, amen. Because Osanyende, no matter what you represent, God is still the ultimate. And Erunuwaya Name, also Megbe, Erunuwa Nagabat, also Egbe, is the truth. All the bad prayers, when they pray for our bad, in the rich body, see now, how can a sensible family, how can a sensible man come online to fight his own family member? As they don't cause me rich, as they don't disrespect me rich. Have you ever seen any of my family member online? My family member, most of them don't even have a social media. They don't, my sisters, my brother, they don't even have a social media. Now because of my work, now I enter social media. Because I know that I needed social media to be able to create that social change. Now because of what you would do for Nigeria, now we tell you social media. I'm not a social media guy. I'm not the guy who likes social media normally, but I knew that social media would be able to help me to create social change. That's why we enter social media. Now me, Abate staff of Benin, disrespecting me because I brought an initiative that has helped thousands of people in my community. What the fuck, man? Shit, man. Fuck that nigga, man. Damn. I'm mad right now, man. Fucking shit, nigga. You wanna talk down on me? You wanna talk down on the CEO, nigga? You wanna talk down on the CEO? A man who left his comfort zone? A man who left Texas? A man who sold his vehicles to come and invest in his people? A man who created the free school? A man who started the first feeding program? No, I started after Esama. A man who have dined with Esama of Benin Kingdom? A man who is a double chief? A man who have traveled 45 countries in the world? Damn, nigga, you crazy motherfucker. When all I say UK, we even winner. We might be 1 year. We are 1 bedroom. You get the one with our making here. We are making here. Osagie. Eh? You get the. How about the 1 bedroom apartment for. You get the. We are making here. What day? We are there. Agma wele ne sona we Agma wele ne sona right. Evinugena is a museum. Moyo the Dallas Science Museum, your Dallas Science Museum. Wa bere kidiye e kini mo bada roy. We bere we no wa se we bo no there. We make me ropa. We so gbin on we so disrespect e man. Okay, let's continue with this guy. You know going to now. He didn't do any look bow. In my appointment right now. A patron of you, I had a better.
Saka, this is the show. Your banana show.
Who sees the mouth of South Africa? Since you want to talk, Abi, that's small area. My laptop on the charge.
The charge.
The next thing of your voice record,
I will laptop here charging. I'm going to be charging.
Who sees the mouth of South Africa? South Africa.
God is fighting for me, my people. I love this guy. Look at today now. His own blood brother is fighting him. Can you see that, my people? Everything you do in life will come back to you. Look at that. See that?
Criminal. That is a code word. You know, I'm a private security man in America, right? Those of you who don't know, bright done smart smart yes. Apart from being the president, founder of a God-sent foundation, apart from being the president, founder of a God-sent foundation, I am the CEO of Kado Lounge in Benin City, number 11, Osagie Street, just by Wesley Hotel. Go and verify. I have 11 staff working there. Apart from that, I am the president, founder, owner of Diaspora Hotel, where we have over 20 rooms for short let. Apart from that, I am the president, founder of Kado Lounge in Lagos. Apart from that, I am the owner of Diaspora Estates in Ebwekmen, where we have over 100 plots. Apart from that, I am the president and the owner of Diaspora Estate, right behind Amen Estate in Ibejuleki. Apart from that, I am the owner of Akugbe Estate in Ekpe, where we have over 400 plots. Am I any long-term investment, But ultimately, I am the CEO of Kado Security Services. Okay. I am the CEO. I know they work. I'm self-employed. I know they work for people. Why? If they break the money, man, you know, man, why? Credit card, why? They discover when you gonna do, man. Near my bar to get scam, man. Yeah, one nobody my bar or copy it. Or Jacques, mon Jérémy. Nick,
have you listened to his own blood brother?
You went to the shop and see you on the bitter. You will be criminal. You went to the shop and see you on the bitter. Say, social media. See, social media people, they go, those your comments, people will comment about right now, your family. See, when you get their family, they don't tell you. Now you be also when they talk.
Now the guy be really the Oswald when they talk. So you mean that Herbert scam his own brother? They come online. They call my people. If you from today, if you don't listen to me from today, if you don't listen to me, I'm gonna block you. From today, if you judge me, so look at, and some of you will see they listen to Herbert. Hey, you are, it's a shame on you. Shame on you. You call yourself educated. You live in Europe. You live in America. You'll be listening to somebody like Herbert to tell you way forward, to hear his opinion about life. Are you not stupid? Are you not stupid? For you as a nurse, as a doctor, as a lawyer, even as a factory worker, you don't go to Europe for 5 years, 6 years. You're going to listen to Herbert. Somebody will never even start life. They believe him. Now Mugu you be. Change your way. Change your way. Change your way. Change your way, big boy. Change your way. Especially those people, are you not ashamed about now who are you? Man, I'm an American. I don't know how to say all that shit. But I mean, after 20 years in America, I still maintain my good root. I still have my bid as a double chief. Are you guys not ashamed that Herbert opinion will even matter to you that have been abroad for more than 5 years, 10 years, where you are damn if you're not getting anything to do, go work, go do overtime. Instead of you to listen to Herbert, go and work. Make that money, help one person. Okay, Koritoto. Okay, Koritoto. Koritoto got the video. I tell you, I no make an name. Well, follow a page now. Follow a page now. You follow a page now. You make an monetize. Monetize. You go near your boy. To my make I have a good news coming through. Be ready for it. All God-sent family Oh, okay, somebody give me 20 stars. Yeah, 20 stars. You bring. I'm refunding your money to you. The boss, what 20 stars, man? Bring your account. 20 stars, you want 2,000 stars. You know what? I'm not talking anymore. We have the stars, man. When about the hour? Give me stars. Give me stars. You give the stars in there. All the cookie stars. You have your parents. You know what? We now here. About way. Doma. About now. We have Europe, Canada. We're not here. Talk ba. Ogbane na. Ogbane. But the same person will say, don't too good. Wrong. Leave everybody for Benin. And I see the clap. Why you even stop at the way? Who is Aswen? Aswen for who? For which governor? Can Aswen tell us what he has done in Benin Kingdom? Can Aswen compete with half of what we have done in Benin Kingdom? Matter of fact, can he do that? Person way because he Aswen no pick he call 25 say I call Aswen 25 times. You get one video they say give me no more do part 2 because I have a very very important appointment. I will part 2 Ena is 6 abi okay Ena is 6 Giawa ahwe egbe gabi na the boat na to turn up wa won because babalawo ni have ni go egbon na ya pa o ebi bu ni awo na iwu ni dogogo no wa o saloboa mieme fan o saloboa no rekete or mieme fan. For those of you who don't speak Benin, deal with it. O saloboa no rekete or mieme fan ogbina me Osaloboa, Ogbina Nemila, Nemeruru. I don't fight people. I just kindly wait because patience is the key. I don't fight people. Patience is the key. Look at today. Imagine about the fight in own blood brother. My people cannot see that kind of matter. How now see that kind of matter? Say a brother fighting a brother. Now, what my people? Join me for part 2 tomorrow at 8 p.m. May I go collect the videos, come out, come analyze and well. So many things to talk about. This guy say about the beating mama. This about brother Smart. He say about the beating mama. He say about in buy land when you go Indian. About chopping money when you take buy land. He say so many things the guy said. The guy said a whole lot. Alright? The guy said a whole lot. And that's my time for today. God send family to everybody that loves me. To everybody that love me, I love you too. To everybody that pray for me, I'm praying for you too. To everybody that hates me, I am praying that God should keep you alive so that you can see that God truly exists. I want God to use me as a testimony to those bad people, to those say, God did. Not be who go church pass, now only pass. My fact, people when they go church every day and their walls pass. We don't see many cases now. We don't see many cases of holy people. I respect Mama Owen. Mama Owen. Mama Owen. Ijo Owen. Come Mama Owen, come. Orima. Ijo Owen, wewo. Mama Owen, I want to advise you. Ijo Owen, Rema. Are you not ashamed that you are married to somebody like Albert? Ijo Owen. Are you not ashamed? Oh, may I see this? May I block this motherfucker? Where is it? Where is it? Bob, brother, Lucky. See, Mogu. If you look at now, that fake account, boy, blocked. May I block him? No, may I leave him? May I leave him? May they enjoy me? I don't block him. May I leave him? Brother, Lucky, I don't go block you. I won't block you. I don't block you. Ijo, are you not ashamed that Albert is your husband? Somebody who fight his own brother? It is possible that you are the one that instigate Abba to be doing all these things. It's possible. Because if you are a good woman, every time your husband comes out to disrespect people, every time your husband comes out to talk down his family, a good woman will stop his husband from doing that. A good woman will not let his husband have peace for disrespecting people. Ijowen, what kind of woman are you? Ijowen, what kind of woman are you? Are you a wife material? Not be woman always stay with man, be a better woman, no. Some women they stay with man because they both get the same evil mind. Some women they stay with man because they are birds of the same feather. Come on, how can your husband constantly disrespect people? Okay, let's assume say he disrespect people like us. No problem. I'm an American. We are used to freedom of speech. As an American, we are used to freedom of speech. So when people disrespect us, now people will don't understand the way American raise us. Now they say, why is he doing that? We don't care about that. Even the president of America, they talk shit online to citizens, to people. President of America. So when people talk down on us, we don't see it as anything. But in that. So what kind of woman are you? What kind of woman are you, Mama Owen? Please, I want to give you an advice. If your husband continues to do this, I'm saying that I have a husband for you. Okay? If your husband continues to do this, you are to blame because you have encouraged this man to disrespect people. Your mother, Israel, is to blame because he continued to feed Abba after insulting people. This is a reality. This is not a diss. We have to speak the truth because a good wife encourages her husband to be better. A good mother-in-law will not cook for a man who is disrespecting people online. This is a fact. I saw it. It's true. You couldn't believe it. I saw it. I saw it online where Abba took one picture. I thought it was at a wedding. Somebody told me. I didn't believe it until this guy said it. So you had a failed marriage. They laughed. They say, hey, marriage don't fail. You see, that's the mind of a wicked man. The mind of a wicked person is wanting everybody to fail how they failed. The mind of a progressive person is wanting other people to succeed when it failed. And that's my attitude. I'm a progressive youth because I don't want you to make the same mistake I did. And that is why I constantly use my scenarios, use my success, use my failure to teach other people know what to do, what not to do, and what to do. This is a fact. If you have what I will say, I had a very bad not do typhoon because Okabungbe Viedo, my good people of Nigeria, my good people of the world, thanks for hearing me out. And before I go, request a song. I want to do one song for now. But song we don't go block my page. It plays down. Dion, how many people you don't help? Is there too many now? You blind? Go follow my page, a God Sent Foundation. Who a blinder? Who a blind? You know me if I don't carry enter abroad. You know me if I don't carry enter UK. You know me if I don't carry enter America. Oh.